Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Nishitha. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. I upload videos every Sunday and Thursday at 9 AM PST. In today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial on this intense brown smoky eye. I wanted to keep this look a little bit on the monochrome side, so that's why I went with this chocolatey brown liquid lipstick as well. Today's video, I'm featuring the Colourpop Brown Sugar palette. I've decided to start a series on my channel where I take one eyeshadow palette and show you guys 3 different looks that you can do with that. So this is look 1 using the Colourpop Brown Sugar palette. So let's get started. First, I'm using some concealer to prime my eyelids.
And for this look, I'm not going to set the concealer with the powder because I want the tacky base for the matte shadows to stick to. I'm going to take the shade Sorrel on the Morphe JH33 brush. This is a blending brush, but I still want to use this. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. That's why it's really important to not set the concealer. Because of the tacky base of the concealer, the matte shadow is going to stick really well to the eyelids. Once you deposit all the color, take a clean blending brush. Just blend out the edges. Again, I'm going to go back into that Sorrel, intensify the lid color even more. To help blend out this color even more, I'm going to take the shade Jamocha and blend this eyeshadow into my crease. Also going to take this color onto my lower lash line. I'm going for an intense smoky eye. That's why I'm going to be really generous even on my lower lash line. Now that I have outlined the eyeshadow look, I'm going to go ahead and add the color chalk to intensify the brown even more. For this, I'm going to take a flat shaded brush. I'm going to take the same blending brush again and just blend out the edges. Just make sure you're only blending out the edges and do not go over the color on the lid because that might take away the intensity of the brown, which we don't want. On a pencil brush, I'm going to take the shade Chalk onto my lower lash line. And for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take the shade Chai and apply this right underneath the arch of my brows. Then I'm going to take a black gel liner. You can use any gel liner that you like. For today's video, I'm going to use the Joya Make Her Jealous gel liner in the shade Blackest Black. Line my upper lash line and at the same time tight line. And before the gel liner sets, I'm going to take a pencil brush and slightly smudge it out. Then I'm going to apply some of these Eyelure Accent Falsies.
I've already done my base makeup. Now I'm just going to show you the rest of my makeup along with the eyes. Taking this Wet n Wild Contour Duo, taking the contour shade and applying that in the hollows of my cheekbones. I'm also taking that onto my jawline just to get that nice sculpted jawline. Now taking the Banana shade and brightening underneath the eyes a little bit. This is an important step, especially when you're doing, really dark smoky eyes. You want your under eyes to be really bright, otherwise your whole face can look a little bit dull. Then for blush, I'm taking my favorite Essence Satin Touch blush and slightly applying this, starting with the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to blend it into my hairline a little bit and also taking that onto my nose. Then for highlight, I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter and applying that to the high points of my face. The way to determine the high points of your face is to look towards the light and see where the light is hitting, and that's where you want to apply the highlighter. Using the same highlighter on a pencil brush, I'm going to brighten the inner corners of my eyes. To set all of my makeup in place, I'm taking my Flower Beauty setting spray. For lips, I'm taking the Colourpop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tansy. First, I'm going to line my lips with this and fill it entirely. This is one of my favorite chocolatey brown colors, especially if you have tan or medium skin tones, this color is just beautiful. For me personally, brown smoky eye is like a safe bet. If I'm not sure what eye look to go for with the particular outfit that I'm wearing, I usually opt for a brown smoky eye because it's very versatile and complementary for brown eyes, and especially the tones in this Colourpop brown sugar palette are just so beautiful and very complimenting. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want me to do more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!